the biggest melt and pour mistakes, and how to avoid them. Buying too much of one kind of soap. Spending too much money on molds. Buying every mold you can find on Amazon because, well, they are really cute. Learning how to make soap by watching life hack videos or getting all of your ideas from Pinterest. Adding flowers, fruit, vegetables to your soap. Melt and pour soap is not cold processed soap, and understanding the difference is very important. Not buying a thermometer and not understanding the melting point of your soap. Not understanding IFRA and fragrance regulations and buying large amounts of both fragrance and micas. Also throwing away soap fails. In my beginner melt and pour soap series, you'll learn why you want to buy soap samples and how to test them. You'll learn that you may not even need to buy expensive silicone molds to start with. You'll also learn why you need to follow a variety of experienced melt and pour soap makers and where to find them. You'll also learn about different types of fragrances and different types of colorants. How do you know how much to use? How do you know if they are both soap safe and skin safe? What are IFRA guidelines for fragrance and how do you use them? How do you get clear soap to stay clear? What makes it look cloudy? What makes it turn yellow after 2 days? We'll even discuss that most controversial subject of what can I add to my melt and pour soap base without ruining it. This is the question for the ages. You'll find as many varying answers as you will questions, which can be very confusing for a new soaper. We'll look at some great guidelines for this question and even do our own experiments so that you can hopefully come away with the conclusion that is best for you. We'll learn how to paint embeds with micas and learn to embed them in soap so that they won't melt. We'll also learn to control the temperature of your soap so you can layer, so you can learn to swirl. We'll start with some very basic swirling. These are a little bit more advanced than we'll start with, but we'll practice so you can learn to get to soaps that look like this. This is a faux swirl. I won't be doing this in this class, but in my upcoming classes I will. These are some examples, these last few, of some more complicated soaps, both embed, using painting, mica painting of course, and using swirls and layering and a variety of other techniques. I look forward to working with you, and I hope I can answer some of your questions and help you to become a better soaper. Thanks!